Example 11 જોઈએ આપણે કન્ટિન્યુ પાર્શિયલ માં example 11 s cube upon s raised to 4 minus 81 first આપણે આમાં શું કરશું s cube upon અને અલગ કરી નાખીએ that means s minus 3 s plus 3 and s square plus 9 how this comes because of s raised to 4 minus 81 અને આ તમે અલગ લખો તો કેવી રીતે લખાય s square એનો square minus 9 એનો square that means s square minus 9 and s square plus 9 that means s minus 3 s plus 3 and s square plus 9 right we can put these things instead of this right okay now we use the partial fractions now a upon s minus 3 plus b upon s plus 3 now s square that means cs plus d upon s square plus 9 because of s square whole square નથી okay અહીંયા શું આવશે s cube upon s minus 3 s plus 3 and s square plus 9 okay same way જે રીતે આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ 10 માં કરેલું એ રીતે a b c d ની વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરશું now s cube upon a s plus 3 and s square plus 9 b s minus 3 s square plus 9 and cs plus d so on say s minus 3 and s plus 3 okay we have to find out a b c and d now first condition માં જોઈએ s બરાબર આપણે શું મૂકીએ suppose if we put s બરાબર 3 then these terms both terms are 0 right 3 that means 27 right 3 you know cube now 3 plus 3 is 6 a 6 3 into 3 is 9 plus 9 18 27 plus right 6 okay and 18 sorry we have to directly substitute means 9 2 right 3 6 okay you have to sort out this means 3 बराबर 12 है that means a बराबर 1 by 4 okay लेकिन अब a बराबर શું મળ્યો આપણે 1 by 4 right second જોઈએ આપણે b માટે then what we have to do for b we have to put s बराबर -3 second s बराबर -3 that means this term 0 this term 0 right let 27 same -3 એટલે -6b okay b લખું છું -6 -3 એનો સ્ક્વેર એટલે 9 9 plus 9 18 same things just what the answer is saying here -27 right -3 no cube that is -27 it is minus શું થઈ જશે plus the same answer b બરાબર શું આવશે 1 by 4 right minus plus b બરાબર same answer b બરાબર શું મળ્યું આપણે 1 by 4 okay third things we have to find out c and d third what we put s बराबर 3 that means 0 -3 that means 0 not s बराबर we put 0 right that means c should be cancelled s बराबर 0 that means here 0 here 0 plus 3 and 0 plus 9 એટલે 9 to 3 એટલે 27 है -3 plus right minus 27b right 0 એટલે 0 plus d એટલે d here -3 and plus 3 એટલે that means શું આવશે -6d sorry -9d right -9 plus 3 that means 3 into 3 is 9 here a बराबर we have 1 by 4 0 27 1 by 4 -27 1 by 4 both are cancelled and plus minus 9d. That means d બરાબર શું આવશે વેલ્યુ આપને 0, right? d મળી ગયો આપને 0. Okay, now for c, for condition we something put s बराबर 1, so no one terms goes to 0, right? Because of we have a, b and value of d. S बराबर 1, right? Here we put 1. 4 plus 10, 48 plus 1 minus 2 plus 10, minus 20b, right? 1 minus 3, minus 2. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 minus 1, minus 20b plus c plus d. Here minus 2 plus 4, minus 8, right? 1 minus 3, minus 2. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 2, minus 8. We put the value of all things 1 by 4. That means 1 by 4. 20. 1 by 4. D means 0. Minus 8c. That means 10. 5. Right? 10 minus 5. 5 goes to this side. Minus 5. Minus 4 minus 8c. That means c बराबर શું આવશે 1 by 2, right? Minus minus goes to plus. c મળી ગયો આપને 1 by 2. We got all the value of ABCD, right? Put here, that means a 1 by 4, a inverse 1 upon s minus 3, b 1 by 4, a inverse 1 upon s plus 3, and CS, see the 1 by 2 and d goes to 0. That means 1 by 2 a inverse s upon s square plus 9. That means 3 square. Now we have what formula? E raised to 3t plus 1 by 4, right? E raised to minus 3t. Here 1 by 2. So I'll say, what is the formula? Cos 3t, right? S upon s square plus s square, right? Cos 8t, that means cos 3t. Again you have to more e raised to 3t plus e raised to minus 3t, right? Plus 1 by 2 cos 3t, right? E raised to 3t plus e raised to minus 3t, that means 1 by 4 cos h 3t. Because of this formula goes to hyperbolic formula, right? That's 1 by 2 cos 3t. So this is your final answer, right? E raised to 3t plus e raised to minus 3t. Okay. Next example. See here 1 by 2. Sorry, because e raised to 3t plus e raised to 3t minus 3t by 2, right? And that means cos h 3t. Okay. Now example 12. Example 12. 5s3 plus 3 s square plus 2s plus 5 s minus 1. See, I use 5 long, right? So we know what is the 5 and what is this. Okay. So what we use first, a upon s minus 1 and bs plus c upon s square plus 2s plus 5, right? S square, that means bs plus c. See, now what we have to do first, 5s plus 3 barabar a s square plus 2s plus 5 plus bs plus c s minus 1. Same way we have to find out a, b and c. Okay, see, go. First, what we have to do? Which value we have to put? Now b. First we use s barabar 1. That means this term goes to 0. Okay. is बराबर 1, that means 5 plus 3 8. A is बराबर 1, that means 1 plus 2 is 8. This terms goes to 0. A बराबर શું મળશે આપને 1. અહીંયા લખી નાખું છું. A બરાબર શું મળ્યું આપને 1. ઓકે. Second is equal to 0. This means B terms goes to 0. That means 3. Here 5A. Here B goes to 0. That means C minus C. What we have A barabar 1. That means 5. Here goes, that means 3 minus 5 is minus 2 minus C. That means C barabar 2. Right? 5 goes to this side. That is minus 5. 3 minus 5. That is minus 2. Right? Minus minus plus C goes to 2. Now third is we put any value something 1, that means both terms not goes to 0. Now we can't use 1, right, because this terms may be, that means we use S barabar minus 1. Okay, that means minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 minus 1 square 1. Here minus 2 plus 5 plus B minus B plus C minus 2. Okay, minus 2. Here minus 1 plus 5 4 8. It means plus 2B minus 2C. What we have C in A value, right? Minus 2 4 2B C, that means 2 and 4, right? 4 cancel. That means B barabar minus B goes to minus 1, right? We put all the value of ABC goes to here, right? That means A 1, A inverse 1 upon S minus 1 plus A inverse B, that means minus is S square plus 2S plus 5. That means we can we use these things, right? 1 S square plus 2S, right? Plus 1 plus 2 square, right? Plus C, that means 2. A inverse 2 because to take outside and use these things 1 upon S plus 1 whole square plus 2 whole square, right? S plus 1 whole square, that means S square plus 2S plus 1 plus 2 square, that means 4. 4 plus 1 5. We just describe these things divided, right? 4 plus 1, because we have this kind of formula in inverse. We have this formula A upon S square plus S square using sin A, but we don't have this kind of, because in downside we have denominator, we have shifting formula, so we have to put S plus 1 here. We have this formula, that means e raised to t, but A inverse S plus 1 minus 1, right? Because of what we have to do, minus we take the outside, right? This signs S plus 1 minus 1, then 1 minus 1 0, that means only 1, right? S plus 1 minus 1 and S plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. 2 A inverse 1 upon S plus 1 n square plus 2 square as it is. C, we have to put different side e raised to t. A inverse S plus 1 whole square plus 2 square minus plus. That means what? A inverse 1 upon S plus 1 whole square plus 2 square plus 2. A inverse 1 upon S plus 1 square plus 2 square. See, both things are same. We have to put 2 plus 1, that means 3, right? 1 plus 2, that means 3. So we can write down these things like 3 A inverse 1 upon S plus 1 whole square plus 2 whole square, right? Now all the formula we have. See, e raised to t, these things shifting formula, right? That means e raised to minus t cos 2t, because 2 square, that means cos bt, right? e raised to 20 cos bt formula, right? Same here 3. What these things? What is the e raised to minus t because of shiftings, right? Then 1 upon a square plus a square, a upon a square plus a square. That means 1 upon a, right? That means 1 by 2 sin 2t. This is your final answer, right? See the formula how we use this. Okay.